Good morning, guys. Today is 21st of May. Today is Friday, and the markets are hovering near 15,000 levels, and we have taken a 15,000 straddle with around 800 and 1,000 point hedge. The hedge doesn't give as much benefit as one would assume, but it would give a decent benefit. So I could short 600 to I could short some more quantities. The funds used are somewhere around 15 lakhs as of now, and yeah, as long as 14,960 is not taken out and as long as 15,050 is not taken out, there won't be any changes that needs to be made to this position. So we are already up by close to 5 points on this, and on the Bank Nifty account, we have taken a 33,700 straddle. We are up by around 10 points, so it's just varying between cost and 10 points. Bank Nifty actually looks pretty strong. So, but Nifty is being dragged down by the IT sector. Alright, Bank Nifty में थोड़ा एक adjustment किया है. I have sold the 33,200 put at somewhere around 207 points, so that अगर market breakout दे देती है, so I'll get a breathing room. तो ये जो call expansion जो आएगी, जब market इस point से अगर breakout दे देता है, then the call expansion that I'm gonna get will be slightly minimized with this put. ये जो put से थोड़ा कम हो सकता है. So that is उस उम्मीद के साथ मैंने एक लॉट मैंने पुट शॉर्ट किया है just to have some sort of a risk management in place. Now we are slightly in a call side IV spike scenario. अगर ये call side IV ज्यादा spike हो जाता है, then we might have to look at completely taking out those calls and maybe shifting, because from this point देखो, from plus 10k to 0 we are just moving from plus 10k to minus like anything. So at any point of time, if we are down by, let's say, 7 points, 7 to 8 points, then we're gonna call it a day. So Bank Nifty looks extremely strong, but just because of this, we are kind of the situation is kind of manageable. But Bank Nifty को यहाँ पे एक resistance थी, but उस resistance को भी ये पार करके अभी ऊपर निकल रही है. The volumes are also good. So let's see. Alright, the options are kind of spiking and we are down by close to 4 points. 4 point नीचे गए हैं and we have completely shifted our straddle to 15,050 straddle. So down by around 4 points. So if we halt somewhere around these levels, and the next resistance will be definitely around 15,075. अगर 15,075 अगर breach कर देते हैं आज ही, then we might have to start playing with strangles or something. You might have to risk off a bit, but the good thing is 15,000 calls are still not coming down. Even with this 160 to 170 price, 162 rupees pricing, a lot of people are not willing to unwind the 15,000 calls. So that is one good thing. There are already 44 lakh contracts built up at 15,000 calls. We continue to hold this position. We are down by currently 5 points, 5 to 6 points, and yeah, the call side IV spike is kind of getting annoying now, and यहाँ पे I've completely pulled out of my position because there is no point holding Bank Nifty at 33,950. It's already at 33,960, 34,000. So we might look at building a 34,000 straddle, but okay. Now we are already down by like 7 points, 8 points. So okay, we are already down by 16-17k now. So if we don't risk manage it now, I think we might end up losing a bit. So the puts are not at all decaying and these calls are spiking like anything. So we're down by 20k. Alright, we are down by close to 9 points, between 8 and 9 points. And yeah, massive call side IV expansion. अगर call side IV कितना ज़्यादा है अगर मैं दिखाऊं, so look at this, a 15,100 call, which is 30 points out of the money, is trading at 124 rupees, and a 15,100 put, which is again 30 points in the money, is trading 124 rupees. So unless the call IVs come down, we are not going to realize any gains today. So for that, the market has to either halt here or the market has to make a sudden dip, so that these call side IVs definitely should come down. So in order to tackle this call side IV ka problem, what I've done is I have shifted some of the quantities of puts to 15,100 itself. So 15,100 पे मैं बैठा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, आधा quantity, and half of the quantities are at 15050. This is purely because of the premium behavior, right? कोई भी मतलब रूल, रेंज बेस्ड रूल ये नहीं बोलता है कि 15100 पे completely straddle बना दो, because we haven't even crossed 15080. But these premiums are spiking way harder than one could manage, and कोई भी call side IV में अगर फंस जाते हैं तो it's very hard to get out of the call side IV expansion, and because of that we are still holding a 15100 put which is at 121 points. All right guys, the time is almost 2:30 and Bank Nifty gave another breakout towards the upside, and that's mostly because of the SBI results. So that's mostly because of SBI results. Bank Nifty gave a breakout, HDFC also gave a breakout, and already we had a good amount of drawdown because of this movement. ये जो movement आई 14980 से लेके 15120 तक, it's not just about the movement, it's about the way the call IVs got spiked. So call IV spike जो था, it was very bad. The at the money call option at some point of time it started moving with a delta of 0.8. मतलब ये जो 15,000 का जो call है, when market moved from 15,000 to 15,100, this almost moved by 80 points. मतलब 100 point spot movement पे call movement 80 points movement किया, and the puts didn't decay that much. So all that said and done, so we had to take a loss day, slightly above 1% on this account, and even in the Bank Nifty account we had to take a loss of close to 1%. Account 4 lakh ki hai, but since the margin deployed was somewhere around 3 lakhs, so we took a loss of close to 4%, I mean 1%, and even in the Nifty account we took a loss of 1.5%. So yeah, these days do happen, and we need to be more than willing to take these losses. So 24 and 22.7, around 27k of loss. But considering the nature of the markets and considering the IV spike that we were in, it was bound to happen. So no regrets. So I wish you guys a very happy and enjoyable weekend. Weekend pe chill karo, and we'll come back on Monday and we'll take it from there. Chalo, see you.